Want the $500 TD Bank sign-up bonus? Follow these 4 steps. Quick preview, eligibility, sign-up, qualifying transactions, and timeline. Step 1. Check eligibility. Must be a new TD checking customer. Confirm the promo code and excluded account types on TD's offer page. Step 2. Sign up online or in the TD mobile app for an eligible account. Enter the promo code and complete identity verification during enrollment. Step 3. Complete qualifying transactions such as direct deposits or debit purchases. Track required transaction types and minimums in your specific offer terms. Step 4. Timeline. Finish requirements within the offer window, typically 60 days. After approval, the $500 bonus usually posts within 8 to 12 weeks. Recap. Check eligibility, sign up with the promo code, complete transactions, and track the timeline. Ready? Open your TD account now. Link in the description to claim $500.